Welcome to Plug Power's technical analysis. Plug Power trades above rising EMAs, trend alignment favors the upside. The stock gained 3.8% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. The price is trading above all key exponential moving averages, indicating a strong and healthy long-term uptrend with solid short and mid-term momentum. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $5.95, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $1.51, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $2.96 and $3.20, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 26.9% from current levels before rebounding. In recent days, price has maintained strong upward momentum, staying above all trend indicators. MACD looks strong, but RSI lags, mixed momentum. RSI is overbought, caution is warranted. A similar MACD cycle from March 26 to April 28 led to a price decrease of approximately 30.1%. Long-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 4.7. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. After approaching the prior swing high, the next upside marker is the 1.618 extension around 4.95. Short-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 4.7. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is normal compared to recent averages. The RSI is below its smoothed version. Current RSI is 70.6, while smoothed RSI is 71.1. The RSI is falling, while the price is rising. This pattern is called a bearish divergence. It can suggest that the current uptrend is weakening, and a correction may follow. Technical outlook for Plug Power, scored 8 out of 10, a strong setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is above all EMAs, long-term uptrend confirmed. Closest EMA is EMA 9 at $3.604, currently acting as support. A rising support trendline near $1.511 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $5.950. Nearest Fibonacci level is $3.320, acting as support. With price above the previous major high, the next Fibonacci extension to watch is $4.945, Fib 1.618. Breakout above regression channel, target is around $5.014. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Plug Power. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.